What's up, everybody? Paul Hickey here with your data-driven daily tip. Today we're going to be talking about voice user interface design, or VUI, specifically building an Alexa skill, a custom Alexa skill, for an event that we have coming up. And it is using a tool called Voiceflow, which is a great tool. But this is a quick lesson on voice user interface design because not a lot of businesses know how to build or utilize these Alexa skills for their business, and I'm super passionate about helping to educate businesses on how they can become more efficient and effective using Alexa skills. And so I built this Alexa skill called Nashville Voice Conference. You can say Alexa Open Nashville Voice Conference, and it gives information to the workshop facilitators, the staff, as well as the attendees on what to do on event day. And so I got a great piece of feedback from one of the featured facilitators. He emailed me and said, Paul, I'm using the skill, but it doesn't work because when Alexa prompts me, I say I'm a featured facilitator, and then Alexa says, would you like information on parking, timing, or my specific event preparation? And I built the skill to have the following responses that would take the user to the next step. I said, my event preparation, please, cool, yeah, sure, okay, yes, my session, event prep, my prep. So I thought I had thought of all of the different things from a voice user interface design perspective that somebody would most likely ask. But this is a great lesson in voice user interface design because my contact got back to me and said, well, I'm saying my specific event preparation because that's what the prompt by Alexa says. And so he's like, I've also tried specific event preparation, and I realized that none of those synonyms had been built in to account for that. And so if you're looking at my screen right now, you can see that I have added in specific event prep, my specific event preparation, and specific event preparation into the list of synonyms that the user can reply. And I'm going to upload that new version of the skill to the Amazon Alexa Developer Console to publish the new version of the skill. And then that should account for more replies. And I just want to make the point that this voice user interface design is such a new space that I'm very, very excited to be into. And it's just going to continue to grow and be an area where businesses and designers and content people are going to have the ability to become the best designers. And people who are conversationalists and communicators have the next best opportunity to be the best designers because of this voice user interface design. And I thought this little intricacy with the word specific, how I hadn't accounted for that, and now I need to. And part of the process is getting feedback from the audience that's using your application. So, we have a earlier podcast, a data-driven daily tip called What is an MVP? And, when you roll out an MVP, it's just for people to use it and for you to get feedback. And so that's essentially what this Nashville Voice Conference skill was. It was an MVP, got some specific user feedback, and now I'm implementing that. And so this is a great lesson for me on how to improve my voice user interface design QA process. And so thank you to Stuart Crane from Voice Metrics for using the skill and providing the feedback. And thank you to Voiceflow for providing such an amazing tool for us to use here at Data Driven Design. So we're excited to be building custom Alexa skills. If you want more information on how your business can get a custom Alexa skill or a free consultation from me on what a custom Alexa skill might look like for you, for your business, please email me at paul@datadriven.design. Everybody, thank you for listening on the podcast at Data Driven Podcast. for listening to the Alexa Flash Briefing version of it on Data Driven Daily. And thank you for, get that at datadrivendaily.com. And thanks for watching on the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Paul Hickey. If you want to get all of the Data Driven Daily tips sent directly to your inbox from each week on every Friday, go to datadriven.design/subscribe. If you want to up your digital marketing game, go to datadrivenacademy.org. And did you know that you don't even have to log into Google Analytics anymore to check your web data? You can just go to askdatadrivendesign.com and request a free trial to our Alexa skill that just basically allows you to ask Alexa how your web traffic is doing. It's that simple. Everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'm Paul Hickey. This has been your Data Driven Daily Tip. Have a great day.